Hi boys and girls, it's Miss Preller here with your skills block lesson for today. For today's lesson, you're going to need a pencil and paper because today is going to be a show me what you know day. Our learning targets are I can blend, that means to sound out, CVCE words. Those are words that have the magic E at the end. Our second target is I can show my teachers what I know. So today we're going to start by sounding some words out just to warm our brains up, and then we're going to be doing some tapping out and writing down of some spelling words. Let's get started. I'll model on the first one, then I want you to try for the rest. So I already am looking and noticing the magic E, so I'm going to know that when I get to the U, I'm going to say U. Yoon, tune. You try. Did you sound out K, U, Q? Notice that the magic E was silent. Try on this word. Did you sound out tube, tube? This word is tube. Try on this word. Did you sound out glue, glue? This one's a little tricky because the G and the L are what we call blends. They go together. You got to let your tongue kind of roll them together. Go like that. Glue, glue. Try on this one, our last word to sound out. Did you sound out mute, mute? If you did, great job. Okay, boys and girls, now we're going to switch over to our pencil and paper for our spelling Show Me What You Know. Spelling test. You can start by putting your name on the top of your paper. And you can put the date. The date is 6. Sorry, my camera likes to go blurry when I write. 6 is for the month of June. -12 for 12 days. -20 for the year 2020. Okay, I'm going to model on the first one, and then we can go from there. So you don't have to write this down. This is just an example of how first we're going to tap out the word, then we're going to write it down. So I'll do it kind of in a box, just for an example. So the first rule, or the first word that we're going to write is rule. I'm going to model how I tap and listen to all the sounds first, and then write it. Rule. 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 So I hear R, U, L, and then I have my bossy E making the U say its name, rule. Okay, I gotta check it. Rule, rule. And then I'm gonna put my numbers 1 through 5 for the spelling test. Now I'm gonna use my pen to mark where we are in the spelling test. So right now we're on word number 1. And the first word I want you to tap out and write down is the word cute. You look very cute today. Cute. Tap it out and write it down. Now parents, you can always pause the video if your child needs more time on a word. Again, the word is cute. Remember that after you've written the word, you want to go back and check that you got all the sounds right. Okay, pause the video if you need more time. If not, we're moving to word number 2. Word number 2 is fume. Fume. A fume might be a odorless gas. Fume, or a fire. A fire has a fume. It's kind of a strange word. Okay, pause the video if you need more time with fume. Word number 3, tune. You like music because it has a certain tune. Tune. Good. Don't forget to check the letters and make sure all the sounds make sense for tune. Word number 4, use. Use your best judgment when making decisions. Use. And word number 5. Word number 5 is mule. A mule is a cross between a donkey and a horse. Mule. Tap it out and write it down on line number 5. Great job, boys and girls. How did you do spelling these tricky words? Did you remember the magic E, making the U say its name? Our reflecting on learning question is, how did you do on your spelling test? Now, families, I definitely want you to go through and go over the words with your child and practice any mistakes that they might have made. But before you do that, make sure to snap a picture and send it to your child's teacher, because it's going to give us an idea of if your child has mastered the magic E rule and we can move on, or if it's something that we should practice a little bit more. Boys and girls, I want you to remember that anytime you make a mistake, that's just an opportunity to learn. I always like to set learning goals for myself. So when I make a mistake, I always try to set a goal, like I'm going to do this better next time. I'm going to try to remember this magic E rule, and that can really help us grow our brains. That concludes our lesson for today. It's been great learning with you, and I can't wait to learn with you again next week.